So Daren, a lot of people watch HGTV and they see bathrooms being redone on HGTV and they think, oh, that doesn't look too hard. That's easy. And we're talking about the hot mop, right? They only get 20 seconds of the hot mop. They don't understand how terrible it is to work with the hot mop, right? And so they get the glossy version, if you will, the HGTV version of it, right? And so, the installations that they're seeing on the television show are made for television, but they're spread out over like a 3 or 4 or 5 day actual, legit, real world bathroom remodel, right? Whereas this
happened in real time. This is exactly the amount of time it would take. It took us about 45 minutes to install this system. Yes, you're right. With HGTV and the elapsed footage, they'll put hot mop in and then they're setting tile right away.
Right.
It's silly because there are so many steps and days of steps that happen, throughout that process, that when you see those things, you just have to be cognizant of the fact that it is taking a lot of time, or a lot more time than they're leading on. This couldn't be simpler. This is exactly what it is. There's no hidden, tricks. It's as simple as we make it. You screw it to the studding, you make sure you're watertight and ready to go, and you're ready to set tile. You have to wait for a few things to dry, like the adhesive sealant, but that shouldn't take more than a day. And you're literally, setting tile.